Good morning, Amanda. And yes, we are going to see some of that sun shining through and those warmer temperatures across the region today. So well above seasonal temperatures for this time of year. And as we take a look at our radar and satellite, we are seeing a little bit of extra cloud coverage, though we will see mostly sunny skies this morning and increasing cloud coverage as we head later into the afternoon. Now, there is going to be a system impacting us as of tonight and into tomorrow. So a little more flurries on the way before today. A beautiful day out there. We're looking at highs of -1 in Fredericton, -2 over in Charlottetown, and 0 degrees is your high in Halifax. Early morning walk here, and conditions not looking so bad, and we're going to continue to see not so bad looking conditions as we head throughout the day today. We're seeing a warm up of temperatures, sunny skies, so it's a great Thursday, February 20th to get us going here. As we take a look at our temperatures to start the day, we are seeing a little bit cooler temperatures, and we are going to continue to see some wind chill impacting the region as we head throughout the morning. That should lift as we head a little bit later into today, although we will feel a couple degrees colder than what those numbers are saying. So that is something to take into consideration, but they are still above seasonal temperatures for this time of year, our daily highs for today. Now, watching our radar and satellite, as we can see, mostly cloudy conditions, some sunshine coming through. We'll see an increase in cloud coverage as we head throughout the day today. And then tonight is when we'll start to see some impacts of another low pressure system coming into the region. So not quite out of the woods with that winter weather quite yet. We are going to have to contend with some flurries heading into Friday as well. It's going to be sticking around pretty much for the majority of Friday, especially throughout Nova Scotia as it's coming through southern portions of the United States. So as we take a look here at our snow outlook for the next 24 hours, all we see is really trace amounts because, again, that system's really starting to build overnight and into the early hours of Friday morning. The majority of that snowfall, of course, staying in the Lunenburg and Shelburne area there along the shoreline where that system's coming up. So taking a look over at Newfoundland and Labrador, not a whole lot of snow. So we are going to mostly see those sunny skies hanging around for today. As we take a look here at our wind gusts, not a whole lot of gusting winds to contend with throughout the course of today until, of course, this low pressure system impacts the region. So we will see an increase in gusting winds as we head into Friday. But for today, not a whole lot to contend with, mostly up to 40 kilometers per hour. And as we take a look at our map right now, we're not really dealing with a whole lot of gusting winds. So again, those warmer temperatures are going to be settling into the region. We're going to mostly be seeing a mix of sun and cloud. As we take a look at New Brunswick, we're seeing 0 degrees along that eastern shoreline. And then we are continuing to see a little bit below freezing, but again, above seasonal temperatures as we head throughout the day. Over on Prince Edward Island, -2 is the daytime highs. That slight wind chill, so not a whole lot to contend with. Sunshine, especially this morning, we'll see a little bit of increasing cloud coverage. Pretty much the same over on Cape Breton Island. Could see a few scattered showers hanging around that Inverness County area throughout the course of today. But those flurries shouldn't be building up too much. And then as we head into western parts of Nova Scotia, we're going to continue to see a little cooler temperatures, but still well above seasonal for this time of year. Now, looking over at Newfoundland and Labrador, we're seeing some scattered flurries, that sun and cloud mostly hanging around for the day, and that sun still shining on Newfoundland as well.